The plaintiff is accusing the defendant of being too old to run an immense establishment such as the North Pole Toy Factory, and therefore is making Kris Kringle back down into retirement so he can take over the company, or else he will dismantle the establishment. The defendant, Santa, is sure that he can handle the business on his own and doesn't want a puny elf running his establishment. The defendant wants the elf to get real and back down before things get violent.
Order in the courtroom. I said order. Plaintiff, elf, speak.
Well, Your Honor, let me just start by saying that you're an excellent judge and that you...
That's not necessary. Continue, please.
Well, the fact is that Santa here is old. He's so old that you don't know, he's more than 6,000 years old. And you don't know if he's walking or rolling. He's so fat that he eats cookies and milk all day. He owes Fred Flintstone a food stamp. He's a whizzing decree. And he wants me to leave? We all agree that Santa has to hit the road and not the reindeers.
I object to this.
Hold your tongue. You'll have your turn soon.
You've been a bad girl this year.
I said hold your tongue. This is my courtroom. You can wait.
Whatever.
Elf, continue, please.
Well, thank you. Santa Claus deserves a long vacation. The guy needs a time off. He can use a tan and a good shaving and cookies and a diet. All he eats is cookies and milk all day. And if he weighs 5 more pounds, he'll qualify for group insurance. And, not to mention his wife, poor lady. She cleans and cooks for him all day while he sleeps all year long. That's all. No further comments, Your Honor.
Defendant, Santa, state your objective.
That is not true. This elf, you just want the North Pole. He just wants the North Pole. And the only problem with that, Your Honor, is it's mine. It's my house, my job. I'm Santa Claus, okay? Besides, I can function. I can walk, I can talk, I can be jolly, okay? I deliver presents all around the whole world in one night.
Yeah, well, being hauled by night reindeer. Those creatures deserve to be free.
I didn't give you permission to speak. Get out of my courtroom.
You'll pay for this. You'll pay for this. You remember me. You'll pay for this, Kris Kringle. You'll pay for this.
On contract.
You'll
They have a
pay for this.
union.
You'll pay for this.
They have a union. Besides, I do it. I do it all for the children.
Sounds good enough. You're good to go. Case dismissed. Oh, by the way, I want a new gavel for Christmas and a new car, or else I will put a warrant out for your arrest. And I also want a paid vacation, a shopping spree, a new skateboard, candy, admission to BYU, a new CTR ring. That should be good.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays.